Dear learners, are you getting confused of about taking mathematics as a standard or basic level? What to opt and what to leave? Let me try to explain the real difference between the standard and basic maths. The standard exam is meant for students who wish to study mathematics in higher classes, while the mathematics basic is taken by students who do not wish to pursue advanced mathematics in higher classes. As a result, dear students, the level of difficulty of the standard exam a bit higher than the basic exam. Are you getting confused? Need not worry. The existing mathematics examination is the standard level examination. A standard level and basic level question papers shall be based on the same syllabus and from the same book. Now the question is, has CBSE increased the burden on the students by introducing the concept of two levels of exams in mathematics? The answer is no, because the option to pick either level is with the student. Moreover, the syllabus prescribed by CBSE will remain the same for both the levels. Now, another question, can a student opt for both standard level and basic level exams? And the answer is no. There is only one option, either mathematics standard or mathematics basic. Now the question is, why the student should go for a standard mathematics? And the answer is very simple. If the student wish to continue mathematics as a subject like PCM group, that is physics, chemistry and math, or commerce with maths at senior secondary level, then mathematics standard is to be passed at class 10th. In a simple way, if any student intends to take mathematics in class 11 and 12, then he or she has to pass mathematics standard. Now again we have a question, what is the utility of basic mathematics? Dear students, the idea behind the introduction of basic mathematics is to make the evaluation more centric for the student, and also it reduces the pressure on the student who doesn't want to pursue mathematics after class 10. Now the ultimate question, if a student has registered for the basic level exam but wishes to appear for the standard level after the declaration of result, can he or she do so? Obviously they can do so. He or she can appear in the standard level at the compartmental examination if he or she wishes to do so after passing the basic mathematics examination. Dear students, it is hoped that I have cleared your confusion of about basic and standard level mathematics introduced by CBSE.